Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So are you looking for a simple way to communicate with people that have either joined your network marketing team, your affiliate program, or even bought your products? Well, Facebook groups is a great way to communicate with your clients or partners, in this video I want to share with you how to easily create a Facebook group so that you have a place to share tips and communicate with people and give them more value for whatever it is that you have sold them or have partnered with them for. So if you want to learn how to create a Facebook group for this purpose, then keep on watching. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take a moment to just like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Okay, so you may be building a network marketing team, or maybe you're building an affiliate program like I am, affiliate opportunity like I am, or maybe you have clients, or maybe you're doing challenges, or you want to do a challenge, which is a great way to generate leads, but you're not sure how you're going to communicate with the people that are going to be participating in either your challenges, or have one centralized location outside of sending emails where people can ask questions, etc. Well, back in the day we used to use forums, but now because of Facebook makes it so much easier to stay in connection with the people that you partner with right inside a Facebook group. So this video is going to show you the basics of creating a Facebook group, how to set it up, what to write in your description box, and all that good stuff. So let's get to it. So here we are at my profile page, okay? Now, there's a lot of different ways to get to the create a group page, but I'm going to show you the way I know how to do it. So I would start at your profile page. That's a great place to start, right? That way we're all on the same page as we walk through this. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on home because home is where I see my news feed, okay? And then right here on the left hand side you will see that I have my shortcuts up here. I've got some groups that I go to very often, so I have them right here in my shortcuts. Now right here I could either click on groups, and that will display all the groups that I am a part of, and then I can create a group from there. Or you can go right down here where it says create, and you can create different things. You can create ads, pages, groups, events, or fundraisers. So we're just going to go ahead and create a group. So now we have to name our group, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and name it Barbie's Test Group. Now here's the thing. You cannot create a group without adding someone to it. So what I recommend that you do is either you add a secondary profile that you might have so that you can at least activate the group, or just let a friend know, hey, I'm gonna do a test group, or I'm going to do this 5-day challenge group, or I'm gonna do this group for my partners. Do you mind if I just go ahead and add you in there, and then you can remove yourself afterwards, just so that I can get the group going, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add one of my partners. His name is Steven. And let's see. And here we go. So I'm going to add Steven. Okay. And then right here you can select the privacy of the group. Okay. Now there's different types of privacy inside the groups. You could either do an open group, a closed group, or a secret group. Open group means that anybody can see the post and anybody can join, okay? A closed group means that anybody can see the group, but only an admin can approve that you join, all right? And then the third one is a secret group, and a secret group means it won't be found in the searches. Nobody can see the group outside of people that you actually invite into the group, and you have to manually admit people into the group, okay? So the top one is like full access, anybody can find it, anybody can join. Second one is semi-private. It's people can see the group members, but they can't see the posts, and they have to ask for permission to join. And then the third one is nobody can see it publicly. You still have to ask permission to join, which I recommend that you use the secret group for things like your partners, your team trainings, things like that. And then you can use the closed group for like a 5-day challenge or something like that, because you want your group to be able to be found in Facebook searches, and you want people to see, oh yeah, there's members in this group, I want to join that group, but still maintain the privacy of the posts of the group. Hope that makes sense. So for right now, we're going to create a secret group, okay? And right here it'll show you exactly what those terms mean. So we're going to do secret group, and if you want this to appear right here on the left hand side, all you have to do is pin to shortcuts. So just that I can access it later quickly, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin it to the shortcuts. So then I'm going to go ahead and create. So now it's going to ask you to upload a photo for your group. And I recommend that you go to canva.com, and Canva, you can go ahead and design a Facebook group cover if you want. It's a really simple, cost-free way. They have a free version, so you can go check that out at canva.com. As a matter of fact, I will show you really quickly. Here in canva.com, you can use Canva, the work version. I pay $12.99 a month, okay? But they have a free version, and just to create a Facebook graphic, you can do that right through here. So all you have to do is go to social media here, and it'll say, let's see, Facebook cover. So you just select the Facebook cover, and you can create a Facebook cover right from here. So once you have your Facebook group cover, all you have to do is upload it here, and it will populate this area. I'm not going to do that right now. You can do that on your own time. And then, you know, let me just go walk you through some of the basics of a Facebook group. So right here, you can manually add members, okay? So as your team starts to grow, what you can do is you can just add them through here. What I personally do, though, is I want to give people the choice. Not all my partners that sign up with me, they are on Facebook. So what I do is I deploy a welcome email when my partners sign up, and they will get the email that gives them the instructions to join the Facebook group. And if they want to be on Facebook, they will click on that link, and they will ask for permission to join my group. And if they don't want to be on Facebook altogether, I just continue to correspond with them via email. So I just give my partners a choice. Not everybody wants to be on Facebook, so that's how I handle that, okay? So right here is where you would add a description. You can add a description about what the group is about. You can actually, if you're doing a challenge maybe, you can put a link to whatever your offer is, or your website, or whatever it is that you want to do, okay? So this is up to you how you want to do your description box. Now, tags are not really necessary when it's a secret group, because again, it won't appear in the searches. So if you have a public group or a closed group, then maybe you want to put tags there like internet marketing or free blogging, training, or something like that, so that when people go to search for you, you will come up in the searches under groups of that category. You can add locations here if you want to, and you can even have, you know, you can create more groups from here. It'll show you suggested groups right here, and let's see, what else? And that's basically it. So right here is where you will know what members are inside of the group, okay, and how long they've been around. Right here you will see all your scheduled events. You can create an event right inside the group. So let's say you're going to do a group training and you want everyone in the group to know. You can go ahead and create an event, okay? And here's the manage group settings, okay, that you can do. Now right here you can go ahead and you can pin certain group. I haven't done a post yet, but so let's go ahead and create a test post just so that you can see how you can pin your post to the top of the group. So hey there guys and gals, welcome to the test group. Okay, and I can go ahead and put this little thing right here. Okay, and I can go ahead and just post this. I could even schedule if I wanted to. There's a lot of cool things that you can do here, okay? Now, I want to go ahead and click on this here, these three little dots, because I want to pin this to the top, okay? So the reason I want to pin this to the top is because I might have a welcome video that I want everyone to see as soon as they join my team, right? And it'll be a video welcoming them on board, and so I will let them know as they come into the group, hey, welcome to the team. Go ahead and please take a moment just to watch the video that is pinned to the top of the group, and it will always stay pinned to the top of the group. So even if you do post any other discussions, your pinned post will always stay to the top so that you have one central location where everyone can be welcomed in the group, okay? Now, I'll leave it up to you to go ahead and just tinker around in here so that you can, you know, figure out how best you want to set up your group. But right here, you can write a post, you can add a photo or a video, you could even go live in the group, and you have a bunch of other things that you can do, which is add a file, you can sell something, you can create a photo album, create documents, and like I said, create events. Something that I do for my partners is I do create a lot of email swipes. I have those in my team training site, but sometimes if it's something really quick, I will go ahead and I will just create a document inside the team or the file section.
And then the last thing I wanted to share with you is how to grab your link for the group. All you have to do is go right up here into the browser and copy this link, and you can send that and invite anyone from your email list or anyone who is partnered with you, and you just give them that link, and then they will have to request access to get in your group. So just grab your link right from the browser and you will be good to go.
So hopefully this helps. I mean, there's so much more to groups, but this will get you started with getting off the ground with your first Facebook group. It's a really valuable way to stay in communication with people that you partner with or that you're running challenges with, or even people that have purchased your products and you just want to give them that extra value for whatever product that they purchase. Now, one last thing while we're on the topic of adding people to your group after purchasing a product. Based on Facebook's terms and services, you cannot charge people to have a Facebook group as a standalone product. In other words, you can't charge people $47 a month and have them inside your Facebook group, okay? The reason being is this is not a way for you to make money with the Facebook group. Your Facebook group is more of a bonus, okay? So use it as a bonus. If you want to have a monthly coaching program for $47, I highly recommend that you do that outside of Facebook, and you only use a Facebook group as a bonus. Use it as a tool to communicate with people, but not as your actual platform where you're going to house all of your content for like a coaching program. I would never do that. This is a third-party platform. You don't own Facebook, so never attach a price tag to your Facebook group. I hope that makes sense, okay? So anyway, that is your basic how to get your Facebook group going in a nutshell. If you got an aha moment, or if this video helped you, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about Facebook groups that I didn't touch upon here and that you haven't figured out yourself, make sure to just leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will try to help you the best I can with that. Hopefully you got value from this quick Facebook training, and if you want more training, I have some resources that you can check out inside the description box. If you want to know how to market yourself effectively on Facebook, go ahead and make sure to check that out. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate that you've been here. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and I will see you on another video. Bye!